How to replace the foam. Sometimes it's hard to see how thick the original foam was, so here's a little trick. Make a big cut with your scissors. The edges are more worn than in the middle, so measure at the end of the cut. It's 2 centimeters, which is 0.8 inches. Remove all the old bits of foam with a scraper and some sandpaper, otherwise your new foam will not stick properly. Measure the longest length. I want the edges covered with foam as well. Measure the widest width, but pay attention to the curve. One way is taking over the measurements on the foam and cut it out, or put the plywood onto the foam and mark it from there. Move the curve of the seat onto the foam, otherwise you will be short. Here I hold my marker slantwise against the plywood to have the foam covering the edges as well. Mark it with a cross in the middle. Time for some info about adhesive. Adhesive for upholstery comes in spray cans, some of 500 ml and some 400. There is also a high temperature spray to be used, for example, in cars. Always give it a good shake before using and clean the extruder. Spray both surfaces like this. Start from the middle, this way your foam will not move too much. Then the other half. Always wear your mask and open a window. And yes, I have a room with a view.